Hello friends, I am Dr. Pranjal Saure, homeopath from Nagpur, India. Today we are going to learn about the remedy concholinum. This remedy is prepared from the inner layer of the oyster shell. And as you all know, the remedy Calcarea carp is prepared from the middle layer of the oyster shell, and from the inner layer concholinum is prepared. This remedy is very useful in the condition of osteitis, periostitis and as well as the osteomyelitis. Osteitis means inflammation of the bones, periostitis that is the inflammation of the periosteum, that is the covering of the bones, as well as the osteomyelitis, that is the inflammation of the bones as well as the bone marrow. Then it always attacks the young subjects, that is the children are mostly affected. There is the inflammation of the bones. It always starts at the diaphysis. Diaphysis, that is the central part of the bone, and then spreads to the epiphysis, that is the terminal part of the bone, that is the upper part and the lower part. The symptoms are pain. Then there is a later on there is increased fever with increased thirst accompanied with loss of appetite and sleeplessness. Later on there is a dark color urine with sediment, and then comes the swelling. Swelling is always at the metaphyseal end. The swelling is very extremely painful to touch. It is earlier soft and then it becomes hard. There is always a suppuration. The bones which are mostly affected are lower jaw, scapula, humerus, radius, ulna, tibia, fibula, tarsal and the metatarsal bones. Now let's look at the anatomy of the long bones in the children. So in this picture you can see the central part is called as the diaphysis, and the upper part and the lower part you have the epiphysis. Epiphysis is the growing part of the long bone in the children. Then below the epiphysis you have this metaphysis, which is highly vascular in network. And in the conditions of osteomyelitis, the main causation in children for osteomyelitis is Staphylococcus aureus, which has a pus forming tendency, and in the 80 to 90% cases Staphylococcus is responsible. The covering of the bone is called as the periosteum, as well as the central part, that is the medullary cavity inside the lining is called as the endosteum. So this remedy is very useful in the conditions of osteomyelitis in the children. Thank you very much for watching this video.